Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is playing a tape of Curly, which is Marcia. And on this tape, she's talking about the landlord, or Erica the landlord, as we all know her. Well, she has been talking about other people as well. And on this tape, you will find that Dwayne will tell her that some things are better left unsaid. And he is giving her advice on that, as he does not want her to get in trouble. So basically, there are heads up and saying, listen, leave some things out and don't say something, you know? So that is what this is about. So she's talking about the landlord, Erica, other people, and she said, if a gal man I run you down and a fear fault, take him and a fear fault. So listen to what Curly has to say and listen to the advice that Dwayne has to give. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Might look quiet and nice, but when I talk about your woman right now, he don't like that shit. He don't like it. Don't make him have to make 2 phone calls.
Pause. I wanted to hear this part so I can interject. Curly, let me tell you something, Curly. Sometimes in life, some things are better left unsaid, right? Because I don't know. But from the outside looking in, a lot of people will say that was an outright, do I need to go further? Sometimes you should just choose your words carefully, because our words sometimes may have consequences, and I'm sure no one would want to see you get into any kind of trouble with the law, so to speak. You know what I'm saying? So just be a little bit more careful with some things you say. I would encourage you, I would implore you to be very mindful of things that you say. Being a public figure, being a social media personality, you should be a little bit more mindful. You get it? All right, we got past that.
Don't make us make 2 phone calls. I'm going about my business and leave Anna alone. Una too bad man and grudgeful. All the look una grudge me, have me look a selfie. Una can't look like me. Una lip no look like mine.
Marcia is so naughty.
Una teeth no look like mine. Una skin no look like mine. Una hair no look like mine. Then not seen nothing yet. Wait until the new year. Wait until I take out the things them out of the storage. Then not seen nothing yet. It go and pack up. Wait till the reach up on the ceiling top with merchandise. I'm going to go out and sell me things. Then not seen nothing yet. Then from next year ain't gonna be no going on. No little my stores will continue to have sheets in there. It's gonna have sheets, so we can sell. We can go in there, pull my truck and go up business and come back. Listen to me. Me going to put my foot down at cheap and clean. Me say MCGL variety store, and I saw me say, and they going to stock up and pack up and I eat me and sell. And me I set my price. I mean now take off my price. Go and start out on a problem, on a too bad mind, and on a too grudgeful. Go and start out the problem. On can't come on social media talking about my problem. Well, on there.
Okay, I was waiting for that to come. So now we're going to get into part 2. Part 2 is going to be even spicier. My God. Guys, I love Mixup. I don't care what no one says. Mixup makes my body. I just love gossip. I love it. Yes, I'm a man. Let me tell you guys something. Men love gossip too. And not the proper, the hardcore men. They like gossip too. But they just don't talk about it like I talk about it. You see me? I'm on the other hand, Any man who likes gossip, like any man who likes gossip, look at them sideways. You know, like I'm looking at you guys sideways. Look at them sideways, girls. Do you understand? Because those men, do you guys get it? Do you guys get it? Very true. You see some out here who act like they're big, bad, and bold. Those are just like the rest of us. They just don't want to say it out loud. Trust me. Do you guys see the changes in me? Can you guys see? I don't care anymore. I don't care. I'm loving me. My family loves me unconditionally. So what the hell? I don't care what I don't care. I don't care anymore. So all of you who's speculating, continue to speculate, just know Dwayne Fletcher will always, sour power will always be sour power. Whether you guys accept me or not, I don't care. The most important people who matters to me, they accept me for me. Do you get it? All right, let's get into part 2. All right, that was part 1. And now we're going to part 2 of the gossip. Kylie left no stone unturned, guys. She left no stone unturned. Guys, remember, continue to keep liking up the video and sharing it too. If you don't want to share on your personal pages, please, I'm asking you kindly to share the lives in group. Well, the live, this is only one live. Share it in groups that you're in. It really helps. I'm asking you kindly, please help us, well, help me to get the videos out there so we can invite other Mixup people to come join our Mixup family. Because yes, we are a Mixup family. We really are. Whether you guys accept it or not, whether you guys comment or not, whether you guys like or not, we are one Mixup family. And that's what I love about you guys. I do. You guys are amazing. Whether or not like me or not, me like or not. Me like or not. That is it. Anyways, let's get into part 2. And darlings, it is about to go down one more time. So let's get into that right now.
What is garbage to me is treasure to somebody else. When you look, you can't sit down. That woman there, Portland, in today, if you ever get my furniture, them, may I tell you, at that time, should have see. If that the woman they ever have, if that the woman they ever have my furniture in a fear house, at that time, fear house, I say one. Right now, I say nothing now. The time they are chatting, you make a piece of support bathroom where you have, with a piece of bathtub where you put in the air. I never hear somebody build bathroom. What a whole heap of Canadian geese, my goodness. What a whole heap of Canadian geese. I never hear somebody build bathroom for use and build bathroom out of block. Open at the ear like a sepulchre. What an ugly bathroom. The time they just use the money and go remodel the bathroom. It look like a cemetery. You saw the only thing left for you is to when you're dead, then just put up a little bit more black in there and put on a headstone. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. It look like a cemetery. That's where it look like a grave. I never see somebody build bathroom like a grave. What a ugly bathroom. What a ugly. I never see a bathroom built so yet. Me think I want half. It look like I want half pen. The woman I make. Box round like a one half pen. You only need to put, you need to put a ginger ration in there. Yes, that's what she not build one half pen. Cause she a hot, you know. You see something box round like a some block. So go show you like a half pit them. You big fat sour man. When me see people saying come give me this morning. Are you pity them? I wear them favor. You cannot chat nobody. Thank God you married to one little white kid man for your picnic and come out a little looks. Because the picnic come out of them that tough and ugly. Thank God them come out looking like a man. Because none of them favor you. Cook and you come and chat people. And you have grand picnic and can't even see grand picnic. You have big house at Jamaica woman's room. And you are chat people. And none of your picnic not going to see you. Not even your grand picnic you can't see. I see my grand picnic every day per video. I soon going to look for him. Me just wait until me finish the movie in my place. And then we go see my grandpapa. You don't even have a little relationship. And you come here with a little hot pen. Your little hot pen and attack. The better business to do. Live turkey. Oh, I go buy some fruits when time be done. The fruits man is there. Get me some fruits. Yeah. I'm telling you. You there, come on you. Come on you what you discuss people. I say, no weapon form against me shall prosper. Justice for Coco. Justice for the belly them way dash way. And you pay night and a ball. So justice for the belly them way dash way. Me sorry for people judgment day. When Jesus ready for dash in a lake of fire. And that if you go worry about. You worry about Coco. Go worry about the belly them and the baby them where you dash way. And that if you worry about. That's exactly what you worry about. Yeah, you talk about justice for Coco. Yeah, go worry about the belly them where you dash way. Go. Yeah, go give a call to Jesus for the life them where you take. So justice for the dash belly baby them where you dash way and have an abortion. And that if you go worry about. So you try your best to give your heart to Jesus Christ so you can get saved. Yes. And that you need to go worry about. Justice for the abortion them where you have. Justice them for the people man them where you take away. At that if you go do. Justice for your teeth himself and your gingerations. At that if you go do.
I look so damn good. Oh my god.
At that is justice. I'm a Zen, the Savior with me. I will go.
I think this is where they started to report her life, but trust me, she's gonna go into it.
Them located me. I'm going to have my breakfast, honey. I'm going to have my breakfast. Hello, honey. I want Pitney come out of the scratch. His name is CJ. 24 years ago. One Pitney. One digga Pitney. First time getting pregnant. One digga Pitney. You understand? This a pussy called crazy glue. That's what it is. Any man get this pussy, them a mad over it. That's why I'm like it to anybody. And once them get this pussy, I pay I love you me get. My phone my tap ring off. Any man get your pussy, them left you. I'm gonna put the business. You understand? So, this one about your business. And I'm gonna eat my lovely breakfast, honey. I tell you that. So,
I'm still waiting for the 1,000 stars,
breakfast
though.
time, honey.
Denise, send me stars. Send me 1,000 stars, Denise.
Breakfast time.
I'm calling you guys
so
out by name.
bitches, go live in a life, honey. And go eat to the breakfast. What are you doing on this lovely Sunday morning? I tell you. If a girl man a run you down, girl, and no fear your fall. Take him. Thank you. You too. Stay. I tell you, Marcia. Listen, Diane, no argue with them bitches here. Them life sad.
Check on it.
Don't argue with these bitches. Them life is very, very sad. their life is very, very sad. They don't even they don't even want to come back to show their foot overnight time. Lord have mercy. don't hate. Just live your life, honey. Live your life. You ain't going nowhere but the pit of hell. So that is where you going. Straight to the pit of hell. A lonely, dry pussy bitch. We're not going nowhere. Just to the pit of hell. That's all. Straight to the pit of hell. That's all. That is it. Don't play 8, honey. Happy Sunday. Don't play 8 because you can't take yourself out to eat breakfast. Don't play 8. Don't play 8. Well, live your life. Yes, Earl Grey tea. You got Earl Grey tea?
Green tea?
Yes.
Okay, and you ready to order, she said?